Meaning of direct debit.
Direct debit.
Direct debit.
Direct debit.
Direct debit. Direct debit is a payment method where a customer authorizes a business to withdraw money from their account on a regular basis, such as monthly or weekly, for services or products provided. The authorization gives the business permission to automatically deduct the agreed amount from the customer's account without requiring any action from the customer. This method is convenient for both parties and can help prevent late payments. The result of direct debit is predictable and reliable payments for the business and hassle-free payments for the customer.